Hi everyone, good day. Okay, today I'm just going to talk about this Zotac 1070 Ti, which I got secondhand from a user, or should I say someone actually used this card before. Now, the reason why he actually sold off this card, right, because it's actually of some problems, and it's actually heating up pretty bad. I should say that the previous owner who actually owned this, right, did not maintain this card properly. It is usable. I've actually tested it out before. The only problem is actually the cooling itself, because one of the fans is actually working, one of the fan is not. So actually I've dismantled it, and mind you, this is really very horrible. Okay, let me just take out this. Okay, it was in very bad shape. Everywhere that you see, right, it's actually either rusted or corroded and etc. Okay, now just to show you live, let me just dismantle this card. Okay, the fan itself, right, it was in pretty bad shape. It's all filled with dust, and as you can see, there are corrosion on the heatsink itself. Look at how badly it's maintained. It doesn't seem to be clean, and you can see that there's still dust over here. It's very yucky. And looking at the plate itself, right, where it cools off the GPU itself, look at the marks. It's actually burnt out. Obviously, there are no thermal paste being changed. And look at the pads. It's all collected with dust. My goodness. And same goes to this stroke here, whereby all the dust is actually accumulated everywhere. I try to clean this thing, but don't seem to able to actually get it to work. So having to say so, right, I've actually checked out the parts from Zotac to see if I'm able to actually replace the parts. But it seems like by replacing the parts itself, right, I might as well get a new card. So having to say so, I've actually spent a small amount on this card itself. So I've actually stripped off everything. As you can see, if I were to compare the pictures and this, right, this is actually well cleaned up. And the contact points here, right, are no longer rusty. So I've actually cleaned up everything. And this will actually do the trick. Yep, electronic contact cleaner. And not only on the contacts itself, I can actually spray on the board itself. So that's why it's so clean right now. Now, having to say so, right, I was thinking of purchasing an aftermarket cooler, which is this. Okay, this is actually the Frost Flow ID Cooling Frost Flow DJ120 AIO. So thinking that, oh, I can just place it here and mount it, but didn't realize that I'm not able to do it, because this cooler here, right, is actually meant for the full-scale GTX 1070 Ti and not the mini version. Okay, so it's supposed to be mounted this way and to cool all the chokes over here, but end up the chokes is at the back. So I try to actually flip over here. No, it doesn't mount. There are blockage. So checking on the website itself, okay, as you can see, I made a big mistake of purchasing the AIO. It's a no-no situation because the chokes are behind. Now, I'm not going to waste this AIO, though it's actually not that expensive, probably about Singapore dollars, 50 over bucks. Okay, I will still be using this unit. I will forgo this, okay, and try to do a mode. So I've actually have a concept of how to do it. Then I'll be executing it during my holidays, and I'll be back with the final product. I just want to touch on some of the stuff that if you guys have happen to have graphic cards, expensive graphic cards on your system itself, right, try to maintain it. Try to clean it properly. Then every 6 months or so, right, change the thermal paste. And it also depends on the place where you stay. If it's near the seaside, right, and this happened that this owner here stays near the sea, that's why you can see that all the corrosion here. My goodness, it's horrible. So do some maintenance if you're possible to. Probably change the pads, reapply the thermal paste, and try to... Okay, a way to actually clean the heatsink itself, right? You can actually dismantle most of the stuff, the electronic stuff, etc., the fans, just leaving the copper pipe and the heatsink itself, right? You can just, drench it in Coca-Cola. You will just bite off all the corroded stuff. But I'm too lazy to actually do that, so I decided to go with the AIO route. Alright, I'll update you more on this when I have actually done the mode itself. Thanks for watching.